that's a bit too far.
In this particular example, we've got Rihanna, and same sort of deal. Now, she's still, or this one is single. Single, 17 years old, no children, lives at home, and is a seeker of job. Okay. So they're the important bits at the moment. So what we're going to do is calculate the maximum amount. So go to that table. 17, single, at home, no kids. It is the 220 and 40 cents. Now that is the absolute maximum she can receive. She's not going to receive that because she earns money. Money, 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 money. Okay. We have to look up the income limit. So find the lower income limit for someone who is a job seeker. What is the lower income limit? Right, okay, here it becomes a bit interesting. 62 is the lower income limit. Anything more than that, and she starts to lose youth allowance money. It starts to be reduced. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first $62 she earns doesn't get touched. How much does she earn over that? She earns quite a bit. Well, this is the thing. She actually goes over both of them, doesn't she?
So you take from the 200?
Well, you actually take from both. You take 50% from the bit in between the $62 and the $250, and then you take the 60% from the bit over the $250. All right. So, okay. So she earns $280, right? The lower income limit is 62. So the first $62, she doesn't get it doesn't affect her allowance. But the next lot does. Now she earns over $62. She also earns over $250. You agree? Because it says it. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we're going to do is she's going to lose 50 cents in the dollar for all the money in between 62 and 250. So how much money is there between 62 and 250? You're all calculating madly, I can see.
188.
So it's 188. Okay? So she's going to lose 50 cents in every dollar. So what do we times this by? Cool. Which gives us how much?
Okay, it's
94.
$94.
Excellent. Okay. Now, the other bit is where she's over $250. Okay, this was the bit over 62, but less than 250. That bit. Now, how much does she earn over 250?
30.
She earns $30 over 250. She earns $30 over 250. Now, because this is the over the 250 mark, she now loses 60 cents in the dollar. Does that make sense? The first lot, the first 62, she lost nothing. The next bit, the bit between 62 and 250, she lost 50 cents in the dollar. This time she's losing 60 cents in the dollar. So if we just times that by 40%, what do you get?
30 by 40.
Yeah, 40% of that.
12.
Pretty sure it's 12.
Pretty sure it's 12. 10% being 3. 4 times 10%.
And then you add.
Okay, so that's how much she's losing. Okay, the first $62, she doesn't lose anything.
So 100 then.
Then, the second $62, she loses how much? Sorry, the second lot of money, the money in between 62 and 250, how much does she lose? 94. Then, that $30 that she earned over the 250, how much does she lose?
$12. So 106.
Is that what she gets?
That's what she.
taken away.
That one, yeah, it's the, because she loses 60%, we just times it by the 40%.
104, 114.40.
You seem to be struggling. What was it, 114.4?
Well, I didn't use a calculator.
Well, that was helpful.
Yeah.
Remind me not to get you as my accountant. $114.40. All right, very quickly, we'll just go over what we did. We worked out what the maximum was she could get. The absolute maximum is 220. Okay, the absolute maximum was 220 and 40. Then we had to work out how much we had to take off. Because she earned $280, she not only was over the 62, she was also over the 250 mark. So anything over the 250 mark, we took off 60%, which means we left with $12. Anything between 62 and 250, we had to take off 50%, which meant we were left with $94. Everyone happy with that?
Yeah.
Oh,
Don't tell us we did it wrong.
no, you didn't do it wrong, I did. It's all right, no, it's all right. It's only a very, very small mistake and we can fix it very, very quickly. Like this. Like this, ready?
You shouldn't be a maths teacher.
I'm not a maths teacher, damn it.
That is the coolest. I
Then
can.
minus that plus 60.
Someone actually said that too, and I wasn't listening.
60 or 60?
60%. Because we're reducing it by 60%, and because we're adding them up and then taking it off, we have to do that. So that that becomes that, and that becomes 108.40.
Well, lucky I pulled my changes.